Why do I do what I do? I've been a lawyer for about 25 years now, fighting for the rights of people. And when it comes down to it, in a nutshell, I don't like bullies. I learned that as a kid. I'd see my buddies being picked on, or I was picked on when I was littler. I got bigger, and then I tried to protect my buddies. And I've also seen inequity in our society and the big insurance companies and the corporations cheating the little guy, the average American. I've seen it throughout my life, and we all see that. We all see inequities in the world, and we want to right them. And that's if you want it as a nutshell, I don't like bullies. And when someone's injured, or someone is defrauded, or when a doctor commits an error, or when basically someone in our society violates the rules, break the rules, and injure someone, they're responsible for that harm. And most of the time, the rule violators and their insurance companies have the power. They have they don't mind taking risks. They're powerful. They have money behind them. They know how to push and bully people. And what I get to do as a lawyer, and I do it every day, and I could not be more proud. Every day I get to come in and fight the bullies. And I do it. I fight insurance companies. We fight corporations. We stand up to the big law firms and all that stuff. So if there was, and it's so important that people get full compensation for their injuries. It's so important that someone who's injured, that's not what they asked to be. They didn't ask to have somebody violate the rules and hit them. They didn't ask to have to come get a lawyer. I tell people all the time, the last thing you wanted to do is have to come to a lawyer like me or file a lawsuit or do all this stuff. But at the same time, you need to stand up for yourself, even if it's in unfamiliar territory. And it's unfamiliar for all the people on the road, or the people going to the hospital, or the people going to stores. It's that getting injured is not their forte. And so they come to folks like me, and we go and we know what we're doing. We're able to fight the big guy. We're the David against the Goliath. And so we take that seriously. We fight to try to get everybody the best result we can. And that's in a nutshell why I do what I do. Thank you.